Okay, you have an industrial manufacturing company and you know you need help with marketing. You gotta hire somebody. You gotta hire the right marketing agency that truly can help your product and your services, right? What do? It's really important to select the right marketing agency that really understands your industrial manufacturing process and your product and your audience, right? There's a lot of unique challenges that a lot of B2C companies just don't have to deal with that you do have to deal with. Industrial marketing is really unique, and it's really important you find an agency or marketing company that really understands it, because you have a lot of complex products and you have a lot of complex services that requires really technical, really data-driven messaging. Why is that? Because a lot of times you're dealing with CTOs, engineers, technicians, people that are really, really smart that expect you to speak a certain way to them. Add on top of that you're usually dealing with long sales cycles, sometimes 12 to 18 months, if not even longer. And you're often dealing with multi-person decision-making trees, right? You're dealing with a bunch of different people that make up that decision-making process. And you have to talk to them, each person in that decision-making process, a little bit differently. So that's kind of why industrial marketing is unique, whereas B2C companies usually don't have to deal with that. So if we're looking at those key challenges in industrial marketing, they would have to be complex buyer journeys, right? These are long, multi-step processes with a lot of different people involved in that decision-making process, right? A lot of different people involved with that process. So you really have to understand who your buyers are, what role they play into that decision-making process, and really what that journey looks like, right? Another niche or another challenge within the industrial marketing ecosphere is that you're dealing with a limited marketing size. Usually you're trying to market a product to a very small group of individuals that could use your products. So there's often a lot of times difficulty reaching that group. It's a lot easier for B2C companies that are trying to reach a mass audience and hoping to sell some of their products, whereas you're trying to reach a very specific niche audience, right? So you're going to need really precise targeting. You're going to have to really plan out those personas or those ICPs, right? Your ideal customer profile. You're really going to have to know how to talk to those people, and you're really going to have to know how to create specific persona-driven content based off of that targeting.